our desktop sugarcane cutter. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 10 inches, a depth of 11 inches, and a height of 7 inches tall. Measurements for the knife from the handle towards the tip of the blade will include 14.5 inches in length by 3.25 inches in height. Measurements for the rail on the side will include 6.5 inches in length by 5 inches in depth. Coming to the top will be an area to insert your sugarcane, and as it cuts, the juice and debris will fall into the slide. The blade is held by screws on the left and right side that can be tightened and released so the blade can be removed for cleaning. This is a table mount unit, so on the top and bottom, left and right corners will be holes and inserts for the screws to go in. That way it can be mounted onto the surface or table for this cutting tool. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.